How to fix if you have no views on TikTok? Well, 0 views on a TikTok video can be frustrating. The most common reason is a privacy setting error where the video is set to private, making it only visible to the account owner or your account is private. To check that two settings, you can proceed to open up TikTok. Once you open up TikTok, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile tab and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. From here, head into settings and privacy, and you can see the privacy setting. Tap on it and make sure that your private account is toggled off. If your private account is toggled off, then only your followers will be able to view your video. In that case, it might be that you don't have any followers or such, so you're not getting any views. The other option is the video privacy settings. So if you have set your account to private, then you might not be able to view, others will not be able to view the video, So basically, you want to make sure that while you upload the video, it is set to public. So this way, I'll show you real quick here. Click on next. And here you can see everyone can view this post. You want to make sure everyone can view this post, not on friends or only you. Now, the other option is that you have been shadow banned. Now, you can get shadow banned for various reasons or also other potential causes, including content being under review, poor content quality, and duplicated content, or using banned devices or restricted keywords. So you want to check for all of it. You can proceed to uninstall your TikTok app and reinstall it and log into your account and re-upload the video. If that doesn't help, it might be that your account has been shadow banned. For that, you can either create a new account or you can wait for a couple of days unless your account gets removed from the shadow ban. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.